Welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to turn on mobile hotspot on PC that runs Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so it's just few clicks and we are there. So click on the start button, click on settings for the settings page to open. As the settings page has opened, click on network and internet. All right. Then under network and internet, locate hotspot, which is here. Mobile hotspot, click on there. You can then turn it on. All right, so when you turn this hotspot on, you can connect other computers or maybe say other devices, your smartphones or some smartphones around to it, and use these computers internet on those other devices. Okay, so let me just start off. Then another way you can do that is click on the search app pin at the taskbar, then type mobile hotspot. You can see that mobile hotspot is showing up in the search result. Click on that for it to open directly the mobile hotspot page. Then click on it and it will be turned on. So these are just the few steps you need to take to turn on mobile hotspot in a computer that runs with this 11 operating system. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Like this video and leave a comment if you have any. See you some other time.